Ginger for acne. Ginger is an effective and completely natural acne remedy that has many health benefits and no side effects. It contains gingerols, shogerols, zinebne, and other compounds that reduce pain and irritation. Ginger kills acne-causing bacteria and reduces stress, one of the main contributors to acne breakouts. Its antioxidant properties fight against free radicals that cause acne and prevent premature skin aging. The vitamin C present in ginger helps with skin blemishes, while other vitamins keep the skin healthy and clear. How to use ginger to treat acne. 1. Raw ginger. The simplest way is to chew a small piece of peeled fresh ginger root twice a day. Or you can add it to your tea, cookies, cakes, soups, salads, and other dishes. 2. Ginger juice. Take around 1 tablespoon of ginger root, peel and mince it, then blend with little water to make a smooth mixture. Strain the mixture through gauze. The juice you get can be applied to the affected skin for 5 minutes. Rinse the skin with cool water after that, and pat dry. Repeat daily. 3. Ginger tea for acne. Place 1 teaspoon of peeled and minced ginger root in a pan, and add 2 cups of boiled water in it. Simmer for 5 minutes on a low heat, then remove and steep for 10 minutes. Once it is cooled a bit, stir in 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and drink twice a day. 4. Natural acne mask with ginger. Take 3 tablespoons of ginger root, peel and mince it, then blend into a paste. Apply as a mask on the affected area, leave on for few minutes, then rinse off and pat dry. The mask may sting initially, but it is a sign of its working. 5. Ginger clay mask for acne. Clay will reduce inflammation and remove the excessive skin oiliness, as well as dead skin cells and other impurities that cause acne. Take 1 tablespoon of peeled and minced ginger root, and blend it to make a paste-like substance. Mix it with clay and rose water, as much as to make a paste, apply to the skin, and leave it on until dry. Then rinse off with water, and pat dry your skin. Apply oil-free moisturizer if needed. If you don't have any clay, try using vegetable oil instead. You don't have to add any water in this case.